Hi, I'm Dishita Pandey, and I'm a student of first semester BBA General Honors at MIT University, Gurgaon. The academic pressure over here is not so much. I love studying as our timetable is pretty flexible, and the faculty also explains the concepts in a way that is very easy for me to understand and correlate with my actual life. Even the faculty, it's very friendly. It is very nice to have them over here. So for our academic calendar, we basically have 2 semesters. First semester being from July end till December, and in December we have our exams. And for the mid semesters, we usually have September or October where we give our mid sems. For the second sem, our second sem starts around January, and we have our mid sems in March end or April first weeks, which being this time it's gonna be pretty hectic for me. And then the semester ends in May with our final sem and examinations. After that, we have a long vacation for approx 6 to 7 weeks, where we are often told to pursue internships at some NGOs or different organizations from our departments. In that regard, our department is very helpful. They often give us resources to find these internships and connect with recruiters that are willing to offer these internships to us. And we also have the scholarship system over here. So basically, students that are excelling in their academics get this chance to pursue different scholarships which have various criteria. So I typically have my classes from 9:30 in the morning till 5 p.m. Given that the timetable is very flexible, typically a class lasts for 50 to 55 minutes, and I usually have breaks. So say for example, I have my first lecture, and then my second lecture, and then third lecture is empty, and then I have my fourth lecture. We have our lunch mostly after the fourth lecture, which is 1:15 p.m. So from 1:15 to 5 p.m. we have a break where we can go grab our lunch from a lot of messes that we have. We can go to the back mess or the front mess or DP and Deja, given your choices and preferences. Personally, I love to hang out at Deja. That the coffee is really nice. I believe you must try it. And for my extracurriculars after 5 p.m., since I'm a hostler, I often like to go around for a walk. So the MIT Gurgaon campus is pretty huge. It's in like 110 acres. So you have a great area to walk around in, and it's pretty green and lush. So it's a feast for the eyes. And I am not that into sports, but I have friends who often like to go to the sports complex and they play basketball, they can play volleyball, they can play football, whatever they like. We also have indoor badminton and table tennis courts. Students interested in playing snooker can often go to the different hostels to play snooker as well. Usually in the evenings, I often hang out at different messes. I have my food and then I go back till 9:30. That is the final roll call for us. And after that, I tend to, watch Netflix or something. So that is my life for now. So overall, I would rate my life at MIT a 4.2 out of 5.